I'm Marian Wijnen. I'm from GTE and I'm the commercial director at GTE and also co-owner at GTE. GTE is the company that we produce and customize machines. We design them, we assemble them and we test them and deliver them to the customer. And there we have two focuses. We have a focus on the customized machines for packaging and assembly. And we have a focus on high mix, low volume. So we produce machines that are flexible and fit into for the smaller batches and medium volume batches. It's more the flexible solutions. We see that there's a trend in high mix, low volume, so the batch is getting smaller. And for that, the market needs more flexible solutions. They don't want a changeover time of half a day. No, they want to change over a machine for another format of another product in maybe 15 minutes to half an hour. And therefore, we also use a lot of robotics, more flexibility, flexible molds, that kind of thing. So we innovate in a way that the machines are getting more flexible but still have a small footprint. Yeah, I think it's very positive. If you have a personal manager like this on this congress, it's different than the normal exhibitions. She stimulates to go around and see other people that you all, and the human nature is that you normally want to decide yourselves who to talk to, and you go to the people you know. But in this case, she stimulates to get acquainted to more people, and also she addresses to other companies and other people to get to know you. It works well. We met here some interesting companies, interesting people, and then we can follow up to. And of course, it's not immediately new work, but it's interesting to see how the market is developing. You also get that here from the congresses. You see the trends, you see the new developments, and it's interesting to join that.